Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Ada, excited to have you with us today as we explore a new fascinating topic.
Hi Ada, hi listeners. Today we're diving into technology in modern life, a topic that affects us all every day.
Absolutely, Jake. Understanding how technology shapes our lives helps with English conversations about daily routines and modern topics.
Let's start with some key vocabulary. Words like device, app, connect, and online are very common when talking about technology.
Good point. For example, you might say, I use a fitness app on my phone, or my device connects to the internet quickly. These phrases are very useful.
Right, and talking about online meetings or streaming videos has become natural for many people thanks to modern technology.
Here's a simple phrase pattern. I use technology to do something, like, I use a tablet to watch movies, or I use social media to stay connected. Can you think of an example, Jake?
Sure, I use my smartphone to check emails and listen to podcasts like this one. It's an easy way to learn every day.
Now let's talk about phrasal verbs often used with technology. For example, log in, set up, download, and plug in. These are very common in daily conversations.
Exactly. You might say, I need to log into my account, or can you help me set up this new device? These expressions help make your English sound natural.
Also, it's important to understand the meaning of idioms like cutting-edge technology, meaning very advanced technology, or push the button, meaning to take action.
One common mistake learners make is confusing download and upload. Remember, download means to get data from the internet to your device, and upload is the opposite.
Great tip. Another important point is pronunciation. For example, the word device is pronounced with a clear V sound and stress on the second syllable.
And understanding intonation helps. When asking questions like, did you set up the device? Your voice should rise at the end to show it's a question.
Exactly, Jake. We also encourage learners to use context clues from conversations to understand new words about technology better.
Let's try a real-life example. Imagine you tell a friend, I just downloaded a new app to learn English. What else could you add to explain why you like it?
You might say, it helps me practice speaking and listening every day. Adding details makes your message clearer and more interesting.
Technology changes fast, and English learners benefit a lot from practicing phrases and vocabulary regularly to stay up to date.
Let's review what we learned today. Key tech words, useful phrasal verbs, common mistakes, and tips on pronunciation and intonation.
Remember, using these words in daily conversations will improve your fluency and help you join interesting discussions about technology.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us. Keep using technology-related English every day to build your confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us in the next episode for more useful English lessons. See you soon.